Alright folks, we're back. We're going to check and see if the head gasket is good. We're going to use combustion leak fluid. And we got our handy dandy tester right here. You fill it up with fluid. If it stays blue, you're golden. If it goes green or yellow, you're beat. Let's get to it. So first, pop the hood on this Dodge Ram. We're going to look for the radiator cap or the coolant tank reservoir cap. It might have both. If it doesn't, then you can test off of the coolant tank. This one's got both, so we're just going to go right to the radiator. Okay? Make sure the engine's not hot, fully hot with pressure in it, because then it'll blast in your face. So I always squeeze the top hose. There ain't too much pressure in it, so just take the cap off slowly. See what happens. Oop. Feel a little bit of pressure in there. The engine's not super hot. That's the only reason why I'm doing this. Slowly let the pressure out. I gotta take a little coolant out of here. There's too much coolant. We're doing a combustion leak test on this Dodge Ram. First, you pop the hood, locate the radiator cap. We got our kit. You can get it at AutoZone. Got to take some coolant out. There's too much coolant in there. You don't want to be sucking any coolant up into the tester. Alright, so we got our coolant now. Let's put that on there. We got the engine running. Wait a little bit, get some pressure up in there. And you just go like this. And it's going to pull the fumes up with the little ball. If there is any. So it looks like it's staying blue. That's good. We're just going to recommend a tune-up for this guy. And that's how you do a combustion leak test. You do that on any vehicle. Have a good day, folks. See you.